a Moana car. Look at that one. And welcome aboard, everybody. Today we're over at the Hollywood Studios and we decided to take a run out and jump on the old Skyliner. So we're going for a ride on the Skyliner today. Right here we're at the Caribbean Beach Resort right now, heading over to the Pop Century and Art of Animation resorts. It's nice if you're really hot and cooking in the parks and you don't got much to do because the lines are too huge. You can just jump out, head on over to a resort. They need to clean the windows in here. But the Skyliner takes you to different resorts along it. They've got like a path set out. So right now, coming from the Hollywood Studios, you come to a junction point at the Caribbean Beach. You offload and jump onto another Skyliner. We happen to jump on a one today that's bringing you over to the Art of Animation and the Pop Century resorts. Just bear with me on the filming. The windows are very, very dirty. This over here is the Art of Animation side, and that's the Little Mermaid section of the resort. It's broken down into 4 different sections. You've got the Little Mermaid section, the Lion King section, the Cars section, and the Finding Nemo section. And on the outsides of the buildings usually give you a little sense of where you are. So down on this building set up there you see the Finding Nemo movie up there, and then you've got the Lion King in this other section next to that. And over on this side you've got the Pop Century. Now if you were staying there, you'd look at each end of the building. You've got little markings, like you got the bowling pins right there. You've got the big yo-yo on this one coming up. So that's going to pretty much just be a reminder to you which building you're in, so you don't get lost walking around. Last time we flew down, we used to live up in Massachusetts. The last time we flew down from there, they were just redoing all the landscaping inside, tearing all the brush and stuff out of the inside, and they went with a little bit nicer landscaping inside. It's much more friendly and open inside now. There we go.